Hey everyone, lesson 2, level 6, choose your own adventures. I'm not going to do B because B is almost identical to A, so watch what I did on A, and if you have questions, ask. I'm going to do the counting painters, and then my guess is the counting customers in D is exactly like the counting painters in C, so it shouldn't be a big jump for you. So let's go to counting painters. And this is a nice use of a static variable because every time you create an object, it keeps track of how many objects that you actually have. So there are two painter plus objects that have been created. First painter and second painter, and one of the painters is at 0, 5 facing south with 10 units of paint, and the other painter is at 4, 7 facing east, and it is also 10 units away. And I want to print the value of the total painters, create more painters, and then print the new value of the total painters. So we'll do that over here in the Painter Plus. So over here in the Painter Plus, I've got my Painter Plus class, which extends the painter. I've got a no parameter constructor, which lets the super handle everything. And then I have a parameterized constructor, which I give it the X and the Y and the direction and how much paint. Still have my turn right and all that good stuff there. So there are a couple things that we need to do, but the first things first is we are going to declare and initialize an instance variable, a static variable that will be total painters that will keep track of the number of painters we've created. So this is going to be a public variable, and it's going to be static because it belongs to the class. And then this is going to be an int, and we'll call it total painters, and we'll set it equal to 0 as we get started. And then in each one of these constructors, if we make it, we want to increase the total. So I just want to go total painters plus plus there. That will increase it by 1 every time I use that. And I'll do the same thing down here. So I will go total painters plus plus. And since this is a public object, or a public variable, I don't need a getter because I only need getters when it's a private variable. So let's go over here and let's print out the total number of painters. And then let's create a couple more painter plus objects. So I'm just going to I'll call this, no, I'm not going to call it that, painter plus AA will equal a new painter plus, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and then I will do this again. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. I'll call that AAA, and then I will print out my number of painters I have. And so the first time I do this, it should say 2. The second time I do this, it should say 4. Well, I'm not sure. Let's see. I increased total painters, and my total painters was initially 0. Oh, I know what I did. Okay, so let's go back here. I need to refer to the Painter Plus, and I need to refer to the Painter Plus here because that variable belongs to the class, not an individual object. So let me give this a try. See how this works. No, still do not like that. Oh, because I used two S's in Painter Plus. There you go. Good. So I got 2 and then 4. So if I run the test, will the test be okay? Bam. 4 check marks. All right. Good luck with this, kids.